This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, see, today we peoples are going to discuss the concept of lock object. Okay, today we are going to discuss the concept of lock object and search help. Okay, lock object and search help. Okay, actually, what is a lock object? What is a lock object? Okay, actually, lock object is nothing but okay, lock object. Lock object is used to prevent the concurrent access of the multiple users prevent the concurrent access of the multiple users using same data at same time. Okay, see here the lock object is nothing but it is used to prevent the concurrent access of the multiple users using the same data at the same time. Okay, that means see here, see for example in office, if we peoples are going to access, okay, for example I'll tell you, for example there is a IBM client. Under this IBM client, Anil and Sunil both are working. IBM IBM client gave a requirement to Anil, that is Anil needs to see there is a table student, for example there is a table student. See, as per the IBM client requirement, Anil he need to calculate the total marks. For example, the student table having student name, student number, name, and marks M1 and M2. As per the client requirement, as per the IBM client requirement, Anil needs to do the total marks. You need to calculate the total marks. So total marks means what? You need to add M1 plus M2, and he need to display. You need to display the result. Okay, that is the requirement for the. That's a requirement for the Anil. Okay. See, Anil received the requirement, that is he need to do the total marks. So you need to apply the total marks on the student table. Okay, that's the requirement. Okay, and Sunil also got the requirement. Sunil also got the same table. Sunil also got the same table, and Sunil he needs to do the average marks calculation. Average marks calculation. Okay, so Sunil he need to do the Sunil he need to do the average marks calculation. Anil he need to do the total marks calculation. Same table. So here the requirement. So here the point is first of all, Anil enter into the table. Anil enter into the student table. Anil enter into the student table. Anil enter into the student table, and he will apply the as per his requirement. He's doing calculations. As per his requirement, he's doing the total calculations. Okay, and at the same time, Sunil also enter on the same table. When Sunil entered, then Anil completed his calculation, and he he went for the save check activation of this table. So meanwhile, Sunil entered into the table, and Sunil identified this calculation total marks. Then Sunil he thought, as per the client requirement, he needs to do only averages, not total calculations. So okay, so Sunil what he did, he deleted these totals. And Sunil he don't know this changes was made by Anil. He don't know. Okay, but what he's doing, as per his calculations, he need to do the averages only. But he unexpectedly he find the total. So he see he thought this total is not required for his requirement. He need only averages only. So that's why Sunil deleted the total marks which change is done by the Anil. Okay, deleted, and he deleted and he applied the averages, and he applied the averages on the table. Meanwhile, Anil save check activate and execute the table. When he save check activate and execute the table, Anil got the results, these things: student number, name, marks, averages. then Anil will get confused. Why the average is coming? I did a total marks calculation, but why the average is coming? He will get some little bit confusion. So, okay, he will again enter into the table, and as per the calculations, he need to apply the totals, but not averages, right? So, but Anil also don't know. These changes were made by Sunil. Mutually, they don't know. Okay, mutually, they don't know. Okay, so Anil deleted the changes which were done by Sunil, deleted, and as per his requirement, he applied the totals. Meanwhile, Sunil save, check, and activate the table and executed. Then again, he saw this result. Okay, then Sunil internally he will thought just I deleted. Okay, he will think internally he will think I deleted this total, but why it is coming like this? He will think like that, and again he will come to enter into the table and he will delete it. He will delete and he will apply the averages. Meanwhile, Sunil save, check, activate, and execute the table. Then again he is seeing the result like this. So did you people observe in office, if we people are going to access anything, any program or any object, okay, if that object is already using by some other person, we people will get the message. So on some person is editing this one, please wait or something. You'll get the message, right? Did you people observe that one? Brother Kamlesh, did you observe that one, brother?
Yes, yes, Anil. All the SPRO tables are mostly like that. Yeah.
Okay. So how such a type of messages will generate means with the help of lock object. The help of lock object. Okay. Clear, brother Kamlesh, up to this clear or having any doubt?
Clear, Anil, clear.
Yeah, just wait 1 minute, Kamlesh. Yeah, Anusha garu and Shambhavi garu and Uma garu. ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే అండి, ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే ఒకే టేబుల్ ని మల్టిపుల్ యూజర్స్ ని యూజ్ చేయటానికి, ఒకే టేబుల్ ని అంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి, కంకరెంట్ యాక్సెస్ ఆఫ్ ది మల్టిపుల్ యూజర్స్ యూజింగ్ ద సేమ్ డేటా అట్ సేమ్ టైం, అంటే ఒకే టైంలో మల్టిపుల్ యూజర్స్ ఒకే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని అంటే ఒకే టేబుల్, చూడండి అనిల్ అండ్ సునీల్ ఒకే టేబుల్ ని యాక్సెస్ చేస్తున్నాను, ఒకే టేబుల్ ని యాక్సెస్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఎట్ ది సేమ్ టైం ఏంటంటే అనిల్ చేస్తున్న చేంజెస్ సునీల్ కి తెలియదు, సునీల్ చేస్తున్న చేంజెస్ అనిల్కి తెలియదు. వీళ్ళిద్దరికి ఒకరికి తెలియకుండా ఒకళ్ళు చేసిన చేంజెస్ ని మరొకరు డిలీట్ చేసుకుంటూ ఉంటారు. అట్లా డిలీట్ చేసుకోవటాన్ని, అట్లా ఈ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ ని ప్రివెంట్ చేయడానికే లాక్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ యూజ్ చేస్తారు. టు ప్రివెంట్ దట్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ లాక్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ విల్ బి జనరేటెడ్. ఓకే, మీరు ఎప్పుడన్నా అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారండి శాంభవి గారు అండ్ ఉమా గారు, అనుష వచ్చేసరికి తను మేబీ ఇంకా ఎక్కడ వర్క్ చేయడం స్టార్ట్ చేయలేదు కాబట్టి మేబీ దానికి తెలియకపోవచ్చేమో. మీరు ఎప్పుడన్నా అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారండి శాంభవి గారు అండ్ ఉమా గారు? ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏదైనా ఒకటి యాక్సెస్ చేసుకోవడానికి ట్రై చేస్తుంటే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏదైనా ప్రోగ్రామ్ కానీ ఏదైనా సరే యాక్సెస్ చేసుకోవడానికి ట్రై చేస్తుంటే మీకు మెసేజ్ వచ్చింది ఏమని, ఆల్రెడీ సమ్ అదర్ యూజర్ ఎవరు యూజ్ చేస్తున్నట్టు. ఓకే, ఎప్పుడైనా అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తారండి? డిడ్ యూ ఫైండ్ దట్ వన్? Did you face that situation?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, how that will come, how that message will come means with the help of the lock object. Okay, so here the point is what, see, this lock object is a solution to prevent this situation. See, first of all, Anil is going to apply the changes on the student table. He is going to apply the changes on the student table. See, when he is going to apply the changes on the student table, when he is going to apply the changes on the student table, first of all, he will lock the table. Okay, before going to enter the table, he will apply the lock on the table. If Anil apply the lock, Sunil he can't enter into the table till Anil unlock the table. See, he apply the totals. Then after he will unlock it. Once Anil apply the lock object on the student table, okay, then other people they can't access that table. They'll get the message so and so user is editing this one, something like that. Okay, once Anil completed his calculations as per the Once Anil completed his calculations as per his requirement, then immediately Anil, he need to unlock it because he locked the table, right? Once we lock the table, every time we need to unlock it. Once Anil unlocked, then only Sunil can enter into the table. Before going to enter into the table, Sunil also will lock the table. And as per the requirement, he will do the calculations. Then he'll unlock it. Then he'll unlock it. And see, once he enter into the table, if he see this total, he can understand. Sunil can understand this. This changes was made by some other user. He can understand, but so he don't touch that calculation, total calculation. As per his requirement, he will do his calculations only. Okay, clear? Up to this clear or having any doubt? Okay. Next, see here. Next here, there are three types. See, in interview point of view, there may be a chance to ask the question, what are the types of lock modes? Lock modes is nothing but lock types. Types of lock modes. Actually, we have nearly 10 lock modes. But as an ABAPer, we people will use 3 locks only. That is, the first one is a right lock. And the second one is a shared lock or read lock. In old versions, you can see read lock. In new versions, you can see shared lock. Next, third one is exclusive. Okay, exclusive or cumulative. Exclusive are not cumulative. That means, you see here, exclusive or not cumulative is nothing but it is a combination of the write and read lock. It's a combination of the write and read lock. Okay, it is a combination of the write and read lock. Okay, so here the point is what? Types of lock modes. Types of lock modes, see, we have more than 10. We have more than 10. But as an ABAPer, we people need to say, okay, only 3 lock modes only, because we people use these 3 lock modes only. That's why. Okay. And then next, see here. Okay. Up to that, we'll discuss practically, then we people will go the remaining part. Okay. See here, SC level. See here, I need to, for example, I'm going to take the table, this one. This is the table. I want to apply the lock for this table. So I'm going to take the table. And here is one important interview question. There is one important interview question. In interview point of view, they will ask you which object name, please listen the question, which object name will start with the E letter. In the entire ABAP, which object name will starts with the E letter. That is nothing but a lock object. A lock object name will starts with E letter. Okay, not Z. Okay, first E, then after Z. Okay, okay, clear the point. In the entire ABAP, okay, in the entire ABAP, which object name? In the entire ABAP, which object name will start with the E letter? So only that's lock object. Okay, don't forget. See here, this is a lock object. Try to specify here. E, that's it. This is my lock object name. Okay, then click on create button. Click on create button. When you click on create button, see, once we enter into the lock object screen, we try to provide the description here. See here, applying lock for customer general information table. Okay, then next, see here, attributes is nothing but technical information. Who is going to create my user, on which date this one. So see here, click on the tables. Okay, here the point is what, okay, for which table, for which table purpose you are going to apply the locker, you try to mention that table name here. I just mentioned the table name and click on enter button. Click on enter button. See, just for which table purpose we people are going to create this lock object. The table name we need to mention because we need to log this table, right? So that's why you need to specify the table name. Okay. Then after, see here, you can see lock modes. All these are the lock modes. But as an ABAPers in interview point of view, you see, in interview point of view, there might be a chance to ask this question. There might be a chance to ask this question. That is, how many types of lock modes we have? How many types of lock modes we have? Actually, we have, okay, as an ABAPer, we need to say we have 3 types of lock modes only. You can ask Anil Krishna, what about the remaining lock modes? The remainings are not necessary for us. We don't use the remainings also. Basis people and other people, they will go with these things. But as an ABAPer, okay, as an ABAPer, we people will use the write lock, shared lock. Shared lock is nothing but read lock, and exclusive or not cumulative. Okay, see here the point is what? Here the point. Now see here. Now I'm going back again. See, if Anil wants to apply the changes, then he need to apply the write lock. Need to apply the write lock. Once Anil apply the write lock, then Sunil, he can't change the table, but he can read the table. For example, once Anil apply the read lock or shared locker, then Sunil, he can change the table, but he can't read the table. If Anil apply the exclusive or cumulative locker, then Sunil, he can't read and he can't write the table. Okay. So see here, see, I'm going to, for example, I'm going to apply the write lock. Once you apply the write lock, just try to click on the lock parameter. When you click on the lock parameter, did you identify this one? There's a, here you can see the one lock parameter variable. Okay, is a lock parameter variable. See, this is a, see here, I didn't declare this one. But system automatically taken this one. From where? From this table. From, see, for which table you are going to apply the lock object. Okay, for the to lock this table. Okay, system by default it has taken. Okay, it has taken the lock parameter. This lock parameter is nothing but, see, when you define the table name here, then the lock object will consider the lock parameter of this okay table. That means the primary key field of this table. See, when you mention the table name, okay, then automatically the primary key of this table will be considered as a lock parameter. See here, this is a table. This table primary key field is this one. See, this field has taken as a lock parameter. When, see, by default it will take when you define the table name here. Once you define the table name and click on enter button, then the primary key field of this table will be considered as a lock parameter. It's a lock parameter name. Okay, see, this is belongs to this table of this primary key field. For example, see, I'm in my home. Nobody is in my home. I want to go outside. If I want to go outside, what I will do, first of all, before going to outside, I will lock my house door, right? I lock my house door. How can I lock my house door? With the help of the key. With the help of the key. See, can you people lock the door without key? Is it possible? Can you lock the door without key? Or else can you lock the shelf? Or can you lock the biriva without key? Is it possible? See, I need to go outside. I need to go outside. If I want to go outside, I need to lock the door. If I want to lock the door, I need the key. Without key, I can't lock the door, right? Clear, brother Kamlesh, clear?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, see, here also, if you want to lock the table, we also need the key. Key is nothing but here lock parameter. That lock parameter is nothing but the primary key field of this table will be considered by default lock parameter. Okay. Got the point? Up to this clear? Up to this clear or having any doubt? Shambhavi Garu and Uma Garu and Anusha Garu, clear? Brother Kamlesh, clear?
Yeah.
It's clear.
Clear.
Actually, yeah, 1 minute Kamlesh. See, actually చూడండి మనకు శాంభవి గారు అండ్ ఉమా గారు అనుష గారు నేను ఇంటి నుండి బయటకు వెళ్ళాలండి. మా ఇంట్లో ఎవరు లేరు. మా వైఫ్ మా పాప అందరు బయటకు వెళ్ళారు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను కూడా బయటకు వెళ్ళాలి. బయటకు వెళ్ళాల్సి వచ్చినప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేస్తాను, ఇంటి డోర్ని లాక్ చేసి వెళ్తాను కదా. ఒకవేళ ఇంటి డోర్ లాక్ చేయకపోతే ఏమైంది, ఇంట్లో ఉన్న వస్తువులు మొత్తం దొంగలు పడి దోచుకెళ్ళిపోతారు. ఆ భయం ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి లాక్ చేస్తాం సెక్యూరిటీ కోసం. Similarly, we people also will try to lock the table for security purpose. How we people can lock our door with the help of the key? Similarly, we also can lock the table with the help of the lock parameter. This lock parameter is none other than this is the primary key field of this table will be considered as a lock parameter. That's it. Okay, got the point? Up to this clear or having any doubt?
Yes, sir. Clear. It's clear.
Next, see here in data dictionary, everything we are creating, table creating, structure creating, everything we are creating, lock object creating. We need to implement all these things in programmatically. And one more thing, if I want to implement this lock object programmatically, how can I apply? How can I implement this created lock object programmatically? How means yes, with the help of see lock object in interview point of view, there might be a chance to ask the question, how many types of lock function modules we have? How many types of lock function modules we have? Actually, we have two types of lock function modules. That is NQ. That's NQ, and the second one is DQ. First one is NQ, and the second one is DQ. First one is NQ, and the second one is DQ. Okay. First one is NQ, and the second one is DQ. Okay. NQ is nothing but NQ is nothing but unlocking. That means sorry. NQ is nothing but locking. If you want to lock the table, okay, once see, this is the function module. NQ is the function module. With the help of the function module, okay, we people can lock the table programmatically. Once we apply the lock, we need to unlock it. How we people can unlock means yes. How we people can unlock means yes, with the help of the DQ. With the help of the DQ function module, we are going to unlock it. With the help of the Okay, with the help of the DQ function module, where people are going to unlock it. These are the function modules. Okay, see where you can see these function modules. First interview question, second interview question. Okay, when you can see these function modules. Actually, these two function modules will be generated by the lock object only. When it will generate means, you see here, once you save, check, activate. After activation button, you can, okay, the lock object will generate the function modules. The lock object will generate the function modules. Okay, the lock object will generate the function modules. Okay, and next, see, and second question, where you can find the lock object to function modules in, okay, that means, so click on the go to button. Click on the go to button and click on the lock modules. If you click on the lock modules, you will see, but here what it is saying here, okay, were yet not generated. That means what, for this lock module, the function module was not generated. Why means it was not activated. It was not activated. If you activate, then it will be okay. So see here, I'm saving, checking, and activating. Now we activated, right? Now I activated. Now you can check it. Click on go to and click on lock modules. Did you see here? See, nq underscore our lock object name, dq underscore our lock object name, nq underscore lock object name, dq underscore lock object name, dq underscore lock object name. nq is for, see here, requesting lock. That means, so to apply the lock. Okay, to apply the lock, we people will use this function module programmatically. Next, dq is used to release the lock. To release the lock, we people will use this function module programmatically. Okay, up to this clear or having any doubt?
Clear.
This is the lock object. Okay, clear? Shambhavi garu and Uma garu and Anusha garu, up to this clear or having any doubt? Up to this clear or having any doubt? Clear, right?
It's clear.
Okay. Yeah. Uma garu and Anusha garu, మీరండి క్లియర్ ఉన్న డౌట్స్ ఉన్నాయా?
క్లియర్ సార్.
ఏమండి ఒక్క నిమిషం అండి, నా ఆడియో సి బ్రదర్ కమలేష్, ఓకే, జస్ట్ వన్ minute, because my audio reflecting to me again and again. I'm going to check the internet. Just wait. Okay, please, 1 minute. Within 1 minute, I'll solve it. Yeah, now it's okay. See here now. Up to this clear or having any doubt? Up to this clear? Anusha garu, Shambhavi garu,
Clear, sir.
and Uma garu. Okay. Clear? Okay. Now we are going to discuss the next concept of search help. Okay. Search help. What is the purpose of this search help? What is the purpose of this search help? What is the purpose of the search help? Means actually search help is it means it is one of the data dictionary object. Okay. Next, what is the purpose of the search help? What is the purpose of the search help? Means okay, it means what search help? It is used to provide. It is used to provide the F4 functionality. Okay, it is here the point is what is the purpose of search help? Means it is used to provide the F4 functionality. Okay, it is used to provide the F4 functionality for a particular field or fields. Okay, that's it. Actually, F4 functionality means I'll show you one thing. See here, going back. Did you see this one? This is F4 functionality. This icon is nothing but F4 functionality. If you click on this, whatever the tables already saved in SAP, those all tables you can see. Okay, those all tables you can see. Okay, next see here. I'm going to. Oh, sorry. This is. See, I'm executing. See, did you see here? There is no F4 functionality. Right? There is no F4 functionality for all these fields. See here. For this field, date field only having F4 functionality. Next, department ID. This is also F4 functionality. See here. What is the purpose of the F4 functionality? Means if you click on the F4 square icon, that means search help. Okay, this is what a customer identity number. If I click on this customer identity number, I can see the number of customer identity numbers which were saved in this customer table. If I click on the F4 functionality of this field, then I can see this particular field values of which were stored inside of the customer table. See here. See here, I can see, right? All these fields are saved in the customer table. If you apply the F4 functionality for a particular field, that particular field related database table data, you will get it with the help of the search help. And once you get like this, which value you need as per your requirement, you can select it. That means here I didn't enter manually. Without entering manually. Okay, without entering manually. Okay, I select the customer department ID value. Okay, clear the point? Up to this clear or having any doubt? Up to this clear? Did you people get the point? Brother Kamlesh and Anusha Garu and Shambhavi Garu and Uma Garu, clear?
It's clear, Anand.
Clear, sir.
Okay, the next. Okay. Yeah, brother Kamlesh, what about you, brother?
It's clear. I was on mute. It's clear.
Okay. ఏమండి షాంభవి గారు జర్నీలో ఉన్నారా మీరు?
నేను జర్నీలో ఉన్నాను.
ఓకే బస్సు హార్న్ శబ్దం వినపడుతుంటే ఓకే యా సి okay, next. See here the point is this is called F4 functionality. That means search help. Okay, this is called F4 functionality. Okay, and one more thing is, okay, now see in interview, okay, actually there are two types of search helps. There are two types of search helps. Two types of search helps. There are two types of search helps. Okay, there are two types of search helps. The first one is elementary search help. Okay, the first one is elementary search help, and the second one is collective search help. Collective search help. First one is elementary search help. Second one is collective search help. See here, elementary search help means what? Let's we see. Okay, actually, as an ABAPer, we people mostly 99.99% we people use this collective search help only. Okay, we people will use this collective search help only. Okay, now see, let's we see what is the elementary search help. Okay, here 1 second. Yeah. So here, elementary search help is nothing but it's a one of the search help type. What is the main purpose of the elementary search help means? It is used to. It means what? Elementary search help. Elementary search help is used to provide the F4 functionality for a single field or multiple fields of a particular single table. F4, see, elementary search help, for what purpose we people will use the elementary search help is to apply the F4 functionality. To apply the F4 functionality for a single field or multiple fields of a particular table. Okay, clear? See, for example, see here, this is what this is a customer table. See, it's a single one. It's a single table, right? For this single table, in this, see, inside of the single table, if you want to apply the F4 functionality for this particular field or for this particular field, for this particular field, or else for all these multiple fields. Okay, how you can apply means yes, with the help of the elementary structure. Okay, clear? Up to this clear or having any doubt? Okay, clear?
Clear.
Okay, let's we see practically. Okay, let's we see practically here. Here the point is yeah. Here the point is okay. Here the point is let's we see. Let's we go. Okay, I'm going to apply the F4 functionality for the particular fields. For example, see, I want to apply for this customer ID, customer name, and door number. Okay, for this single table, I need to apply for these three. Okay, so I'm going back. Okay, I'm going, see here, search help. Search help. Okay, select the option search help. Select the option search help. Okay, see, you try to provide the name here. You try to provide the name here. Okay, say I'm going to provide the search help. You can provide anything. I'm going to provide sh, zsh. You can provide anything. Underscore, for example, this for this customer table, right? So I just provided. That means what? See here, actually you can provide anything, but the point is, see, sh means search help. I'm going to apply search help for this table. Okay, for this table. Click on create button. When you click on create button, see here, you can see, okay, it is asking which search help you want to create. Okay, which search help you want to create. Okay, which search help you want to create means, see here we have elementary search help and collective search help, right? So now currently we are going to discuss about the elementary search help. So you need to select and click on continue button. Okay, then once we enter into the elementary search help, okay, we try to provide the short description here. Okay, see here I'm providing F4 functionality, providing F4 functionality. Okay, just you try to give the short description. Okay, providing F4 functionality. Say, then see default tab is the definition tab. In this default tab, okay, you need to see here the selection method is nothing but okay, for see you are for which table purpose you are going to provide the F4 functionality, that table name you need to mention here. You need to mention. See, once you mention and click on enter button, then what will happen is, so inside of this table, how many fields we have? All those fields. So you can see here search help. See here this part here, this here we people will apply the search help functionality. Okay, so for which field we need to apply the search help functionality, that field you need to specify, you need to select here. Okay, you need to select here. So see here, click on this one. When you click on this one, see here, you can see the fields. All these fields are related to this table, right? You need to select for which fields. So, okay, you need to provide the F4 functionality. For which field, okay? See, I need to provide customer number, customer name, door number. Double click it. See, and see here, 100% you need to specify import and export to checkboxes. If not specify import and export checkboxes, this key, you can't apply F4 functionality for this customer number. See here the import. See, import means what? Input. I am giving the input. Okay, I am giving the input option search help for this field. Okay, export is what? Once we provide the input search help for this field, when I executed this field need to appear with the search help icon. That's why we need to specify import and export. And L and S positions. Here L and S positions are nothing but physical positions. Physical appearance positions. Okay, there is, see, some people will ask me what is the full form of the L position and S position. See, there is no full form, say honestly. If you want, you can Google it. There is no full form for this L and S positions. L and S positions are nothing but these L and S positions are okay, used to represent the physical appearance of the search help parameter. If you want to see this customer number in the first position, you need to specify L and S positions 1. Okay, next, see here, see this is what their data element of this number. Okay, field. Okay, no need for. Next, second one, I need customer name. Select, try to provide second position. If you want to apply more, you will just try to click on down, try to select. Okay, see here, import and export. Third one. Then see here, that's completed. In this way, you can provide the search help for number of fields. Okay, so then see here, then after you try to see, I will show you these positions physical. Okay, practically you don't need to worry. Saving, checking, activating, click on enter, and executing. See, when I click on executing, see here, customer number, customer name, door number. You can see the F4 functionalities. Click on it. When you click on it, see here, I said what I said here, customer number first position. So you can see first position, customer name second position, door number third position. Okay, for example, I want to specify the door number first position and customer number third position. Okay, let's see how. Okay, see here, try to change the positions only. Try here, there is nothing but one. Save, check it. activate it, and execute it. Okay, click on it. Now you can see the door number first position, customer number last position. Okay, clear the point. This is the elementary structure. Okay, clear. Up to this clear or having any doubt? Anusha Garu and Uma.
Clear, sir.
Up to this clear or having any doubt? Okay. Next, we people saw. Next is what? Collect. Brother Kamlesh, clear or having any doubt, brother?
Yes, Anil, clear. But one thing I want to ask you.
Yeah,
Some
please,
of the
please.
fields have a parent-child output.
No, brother. That is different. That is different, brother. Because see, we are here. The point is what we are going to apply the we are going to apply the icons to get the data from the database table. This fields data we are getting. See, I just click on it. From where we people are getting this data? From this particular table. That's it only. You know, you said some fields depends on other table, means that's related to foreign key table, foreign key relationship. Okay, that is not there is no that's not relevant for this search help. Okay, that's different. This is different. Okay. Yeah. Next, Shambhavi Garu and Anusha Garu and Uma Garu. Clear and on doubts unnaya?
Clear, Anil.
Clear, sir.
Next, next okay. Okay, collective search help. And ikkada see, if I say honestly, we won't use the collective search help. 0.001% only we may use. We won't use the search help in the projects, no doubt at all. But 99.99% we people will go for the elementary search help only. We want to use the collective search help, no doubt at all. Okay, but the point is you okay. Here in this data dictionary, here your assignment is you people need to create the collective search help. You try to you try to do. You can Google or anything, you can do it. You try to do this one and send a screenshot to my WhatsApp. If you people are failed to do this one, you don't need to worry. I will teach again, okay? Because it's not at all important, okay? But you try to do. Okay, this is assignment from this data dictionary concept. Okay, you people see up to this, you people are clear or having any doubt? Yeah, just to give.
Yes.
Yeah, just to give me 1 minute. My mom is calling continuously. Just 1 minute. No. అమ్మవాడు చెప్పండి. లేదు క్లాస్ చదువుతున్నా, అందుకని కట్ చేశాను. సరే అయితే. లేదు ఆ ఫోన్ కూడా నా దగ్గరే ఉంది. ఇంటర్నెట్ ప్రాపర్ గా రాకపోతే ఆ ఫోన్ కూడా నా దగ్గర పెట్టుకున్నానులే. సరే అయితే. నువ్వు ఫస్ట్ కూల్ గా ఉండు, అర్థమైందా? నేను చూసుకుంటా కానీ నువ్వు కూల్ గా ఉండు, ప్రశాంతంగా ఉండు. ఉదయాన్నే ఈ తలకాయ నొప్పి ఎందుకు నీకు, పిచ్చిదానా? టిఫిన్ తిన్నావా? టిఫిన్ తిని కాసేపు టీవీ ఏదో చూసుకోపో. నీకెందుకు, నేను చూసుకుంటా కానీ నీకెందుకు ఆ తలకాయ నొప్పి? మా ఇవన్నీ ఆలోచించి మనసు పాడు చేసుకోబాకు. సరే బాయ్. సరే నేను కాల్ చేస్తా, ఒక అరగంటలో చేస్తాను. ముందు వెళ్ళి ఫస్ట్ మొహం కడుక్కుని టిఫిన్ తినిపో. టిఫిన్ తిని కాసేపు పిల్లల్ని ఆడిచ్చు, లేకపోతే ఏదో ఒకటి చూసుకోపో. ఒక గంటలో నేను కాల్ చేస్తాను. సరే. ఇప్పుడు మన చెయ్యి దాటిపోతా. ఇప్పుడు మన దగ్గర నేను సరే నేను ఒక గంటలో నీకు కాల్ చేస్తాను, అప్పుడు వివరంగా మాట్లాడదాను కానీ. ఓకే, టేక్ ఇట్ రైట్. సరేనా? అంటే జోక్గా తీసుకొని అర్థం, సరేనా? సరే 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 నేను ఒక గంటలో చేస్తా, అప్పుడు క్లియర్గా ఒక గంట మాట్లాడుకుందాం. లేదు లేదు, నేను చిక్కుతా, నీకు చిక్కుతా, నీ ఫోన్కి చిక్కుతా, సరేనా? సరే సరే, బాయ్ బాయ్. సరే సరే, వెళ్ళి టిఫిన్ తినుకో ముందర, బాయ్. యా, హలో, యూ పీపుల్స్ ఆర్ గెటింగ్ మై వాయిస్ క్లియర్? అప్ టు దిస్ క్లియర్? డిడ్ యు బిట్ ఓకే? క్లియర్ ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఎనీ డౌట్? బ్రదర్
Clear, sir.
షామిల్ గారు, ఉమా గారు, క్లియర్ అండి?
Yes, sir. So, Anil,
Okay, okay.
data dictionary is completing today,
No,
right?
no,
So,
no, 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 no. Data dictionary is not completed.